Welcome back to the wood shop, guys. And today we're not doing a wood build project and we're not doing a restoration project. Instead, we're going to be doing a project, we'll call it repurposing. We're going to turn this twin bed into a bench. Stick around. So guys, that's going to bring us to the end of this project. Now I do have to add a top coat to this, and I may show a little bit of that, but you know, it's nothing different than brushing this on. But either way, I'll put pictures up at the end. We're probably going to go with a semi-gloss or a satin look. To address a couple things in here, mortise and tenon wasn't in the picture on this one. I don't have dominoes, and that's why you've seen pocket holes, but I did go back and reinforce those with dowels where the pocket holes were, and so it kind of added a little more strength there. But I've sat in this thing, and I'm a pretty good sized fella, and this thing is not budging, so I don't have any doubts about it being strong. But either way, we took a couple different colors on the stain, trying to get it pretty close. Unfortunately, I think the pine lets it down just a little, but that's all I had. The owner supplied the plywood seat we used, which is an oak veneered plywood, and so I think it matches out pretty good. She wasn't super concerned that it was perfect, but we took a little bit of the stain, kind of went over everything to kind of blend it in. Dried that off. I'm going to let it dry naturally for a few hours, maybe overnight, before I do the top coat. Either way, I think it turned out good. Hopefully you did too. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.